welcome to Massage Remedy channel. I'm Katerina Karagianni, Advanced Clinical Massage Therapist, and today we are diving into a topic that affects a lot of us, upper cross syndrome. We'll check out some practical tips, stretches, and exercises to help you deal with it. So, what is upper cross syndrome? Well, it's basically a posture issue caused by muscle imbalances in your upper body. Sitting for way too long, having poor ergonomics and doing repetitive movements can all contribute to this problem, which leads to discomfort and stiffness at your upper body. Now, let's talk about the signs and symptoms of upper cross syndrome. If you have noticed that your head is forward like that, and you have rounded shoulders, or your upper back is curved, chances are that you are dealing with upper cross syndrome. It's important to spot these signs early and keep an eye. Alright, let's get practical. I'm gonna show you some effective stretches that will help you release tension and feel better if you are dealing with upper cross syndrome. It's very important to get advice from your doctor. It is very important to breathe through the stretches deeply. The stretches need to be pain-free and gentle, and hold each stretch 20 to 30 seconds. We will start from the door frame pectoral stretch, which helps improve flexibility and alleviate tension in the chest area. This stretch targets the pectoral muscles and helps counteract tightness that can result from activities like sitting for extended periods or repetitive motions. To perform the door frame pectoral stretch, stand beside an open door with your arms bent at 90-degree angle, placing your forearm against the door frame. Gently lean forward, allowing your body to move through the doorway until you feel a comfortable stretch across your chest and front shoulder. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Breathing deeply. Slowly come back straight and place your arms higher than 90-degree angle and repeat the process. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Come back straight again and place your arms lower than 90-degree angle and repeat the process. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. The trapezius stretch helps relieve tension in the trapezius muscle, which is commonly associated with neck and shoulder discomfort. Trapezius muscle extends down the back of the neck and upper spine. To perform a trapezius stretch, sit or stand with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Slowly tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold the stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds, feeling a gentle pull along the side of your neck and upper shoulder. Keep your shoulders down and avoid shrugging. Focus on lengthening the neck. You can bring slowly your arm at your back and at your side to target more muscle fibers. Now repeat on the other side, slowly, breathing deeply. Remember, it is essential to perform stretches slowly and smoothly, avoiding any sudden movements to prevent strains. Stretch your rhomboids, stand or sit with good posture. Clasp your hands in front of you, straighten your arms and gently Round your upper back, feeling a stretch between your shoulder blades. Hold 15 to 30 seconds, focusing on breathing. For stretching your deltoids, stand or sit upright. Bring one arm across your chest, using your opposite hand to gently pull the arm closer to your chest. Hold the stretch 15 to 30 seconds and repeat to the other side. Here is another variation for deltoid stretch. Make sure the stretch is gentle. Perform these neck stretches regularly to help alleviate tension and maintain neck flexibility. For a frontal stretch, slowly tilt your head forward, bringing your chin towards your chest. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch along the back of your neck. Keeping your position and breathing deeply, rotate your head slightly on both sides and then try to look under your armpit. To stretch the back of your neck, gently tilt your head backward, looking towards the ceiling. Slightly turn your head on the sides, holding each position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing slowly. This thoracic opening stretch can make a big difference in your hunched over posture. It promotes extension in the thoracic spine. Stand facing a table or counter. Place your hands on it and walk your feet back so that your feet are under your hips. Look at your feet and make sure they are straight. Kick your hips back to place an arch in your lower back and move your chest down towards the floor. Keep your elbows locked out and tighten your quads. Breathe and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to keep the weight distribution in your feet equal. So follow along and take your sweet time with these stretches. But wait, we are not done yet. Strengthening exercises are super important to tackle upper cross syndrome. Let's check out a few exercises that target those underactive muscles. Our target here is to strengthen our back muscles. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your arms slightly, opening your chest. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 to 5 times per day. The YTW exercise for scapular retraction is designed to strengthen the interscapular muscles between your shoulder blades to help retract or pull your shoulders back, helping to maintain proper upright posture. Start laying face down and bring your arms roughly to 135 degrees, slightly in front of you. Follow the rest of the positions, concentrating on squeezing the shoulder blades or scapula contraction. Holding these positions for 3 to 5 seconds and then release. For this exercise, you will need an elastic exercise material such as a TheraBand. Put the band around a solid object. You can use your feet. Stand nice and tall, facing where you have placed the band. Hold equal lengths of the band in each hand. Start with your arms held out in front of you. Pull the bands back and move your shoulder blades together. As you finish, your elbows should be at your side and bent at 90 degrees, like the angle of the letter L. Return to the starting position and repeat 8 to 12 times every other day. Stretches and exercises aren't the only things to consider. Lifestyle changes are also super important. Let's talk about creating an environment that supports good posture. Think about making ergonomic adjustments to your workspace. taking regular breaks to move around, and being aware of your posture in your daily activities. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Massage Remedy, and remember, dealing with upper cross syndrome is all about being consistent and taking a holistic approach. Incorporate these stretches, exercises, and lifestyle changes into your routine, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier, more balanced you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, take care of your posture and take good care of yourself. Bye for now!